Today I'm going to give you 5 good reasons why having a Datsun 620 is an awesome idea. So if you've been following the series, you know that I rescued this truck from a barn. It had been sitting for many years and we brought it back to life, and now I have it in Miami and I've been driving it for work. And it's a great truck to drive, but there are some challenges. Okay, the first thing you need to know is that you don't need a gym if you have a Datsun 620. It doesn't have any power steering, so you have to work the steering wheel, work the gears to just get going. So when you're driving it, you're gonna get a good workout and you're gonna build some muscle doing it. The next thing you need to know is that no one is gonna steal this truck. You know, when car thieves steal vehicles, they do them for like a couple of reasons. One, they wanna tear them apart and sell the parts like a shop. Other times they wanna send them overseas to like a market where they can sell them for more, or maybe the cars are not available there. Other times they wanna like wash them and resell them. You know, maybe wash the title out. But this truck, nobody really knows what to do about it because the parts are not that expensive, so they're not going to get a lot of money for them. There's not a lot of demand for, you know, a cheap vehicle like this overseas, so nobody's going to steal it for that. It's just not worth it. So when you have one of these, you don't have to worry about anyone stealing it. The next thing you need to know is that you can park it pretty much anywhere. It's a truck, so people are still gonna throw their empty bottles in the back sometimes, which is kind of annoying, but no one's gonna really take it because, as we said before, it has a manual and most people don't know how to drive a manual anymore. It looks old or maybe antique or maybe classic, depending on your outlook. So people don't know if it's worth a lot of money or not. But when you park it, it's just sort of blends in with the other cars on the street. So if you don't have a farm or a ranch or someplace out in the suburbs and you have it in the city like I do, no one's gonna mess with it. You can just park it anywhere and it's fine. Another cool thing about having this is because it's a truck, so you can haul stuff with it. I made another video that talks about a day in the life on how I use this as a delivery truck, so check that out if you have the time. So if you need to pick up anything from the store, anything big, if you need to pick up something for the house, piece of furniture, need to help out a friend, this is the perfect vehicle to have because you don't need to rent a U-Haul. It's just, that's the definition of utility in having one of these. And the last and possibly the most important thing about what's cool about having a Datsun 620 is the community. There's a lot of Facebook groups that support this vehicle. This particular type of vehicle was sold in many countries throughout the world. You can still find new old stock parts for it. If you look online, there's a lot of forums that support this vehicle. If you go to Cars and Coffee, you'll find people coming up to you and talking about it. So it is a great sense of community that you get to be a part of. So what do you think? Do you own a Datsun 620 or another classic truck? Let me know in the comments below. What are your favorite things about it? What is it? Some of the things that you find maybe are challenging about it. And I've got some other videos on the playlist, so be sure and check those out if you want to know what this thing is like to drive and how I spend a day doing deliveries with this thing and some of the maintenance that I've done. Please do check them out, and thanks for your support. I really appreciate you. Subscribe if you want to, and I'll see you on the next video.